Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 BMW X3. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The BMW X3, the distinctive, sure-footed luxury sports activity vehicle that brings performance, efficiency, utility, and safety together in an elegant package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, backup camera, electronic stability control, seat memory, brake-actuated limited-slip differential, trip computer. Whether cruising or climbing, the X3 will exceed your expectations of what an automobile can be. Drive it today.